Alright. Since it's family day today, weekend, let's take our lunch here at Estancia. Of course, with my family there, see, ex-girlfriend, Kuya, MJ, Ate, and Paul. Kau-open lang kasi, I think 10:30. So, early lunch. 11, I'm sorry. So, that's the kitchen there, and this is the bar section. Hello. Very relaxing jazz music. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. With the complimentary bread. And then the salad.
Salmon pesto.
This one is the creamy salmon pesto.
400. Sobrang swerte talaga. Super swerte. Happy sa duet. Siyempre, ang kanin.
Happy birthday to you.
Wala pa, isa 65. Happy birthday.
Ano raw?
Happy birthday.
Grabe, this is so huge. What size?
16 inch.
No, it's not 16. Bigger.
16 siya.
Talaga? The good thing, different flavors.
Magkahati.
Mushroom.
Truffle mushroom.
Truffle
Quattro
mushroom.
forma.
Paldos. Okay.
Yes.
So, ano yan?
Honey
Honey garlic. See?
Wow, parang masarap.
Thank you. Another pizza. What flavors is it?
Honey garlic.
Honey garlic pizza.